probably got tornadic circulation of the ground now since it's halfway down. It just hasn't condensed all the way down yet. Still trying to come down. Hasn't fully condensed yet, but it will as long as it doesn't get disrupted too much by that RFD. There it is on the ground. Look at that. Spinning on the ground. It's on the ground. See the circulation down there?
I see it.
It's not fully condensed, but
Yeah.
wow, that's pretty.
Gorgeous tornado. Wow. Yes, it just doesn't have kids.
Don't dissipate. It'll come back down.
There we go. There we go. It's down again. Yes.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Don't zoom in too close.
Heeft iemand tijd om even een foto van mij te maken voor Annemarie?
Ja, kom hier.
Sorry, ik moet even.
Ik moet de camera.
Oh my God.
Ja?
Ja. Kijk daar.
Yes!
De onderkant zien. De onderkant zien. Kijk eens, kijk eens.
Oh my God.
Enjoy, guys.
Wow.
Dankjewel, super. Ik heb hem.
Now it's moving north.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. And one more. 1.
Got some hail. Getting bigger. Storm's got up to baseball-sized hail in it, if you can hear me. It's pretty loud in here right now. So we're trying to cork punch the storm. You guys think about this hail? We're having fun back there. Show you the storm. Tornado warning, baseball-sized hail. Radar saying 3.5 inches. We're going to lose the windshield here in a minute. Getting bigger.
I don't know where it's aiming.
Okay.
There's a tornado to the southwest and a new tornado getting ready to form on a new wall cloud to the east. Yeah, that's going to produce a big tornado right there. Yeah, there's a funnel back in there trying to form back behind the rain. This thing's going to get rain wrapped too.
See?